Hey, don't be gay and try to hump me. That's pretty gay. I'm turning in the mirror, stupid. Oh, now you're making sense.
I summon.
Are you trying to choke me? Oh no, he's choking me. He's choking me. Please,
Your math questions are
too hard. Oh,
you
like you didn't get a hard
people.
dick last night? You didn't get a pound? Is that it? God damn, I swear to God, they keep turning into retards slowly over and over. I keep on saying it. And it's actually fucking true for once.
Sorry, bro.
I'm dumb as fuck because I can't tell which one is the real one.
I am. Wait, what do you mean, real one?
Look
It's
at
clearly
them right now.
That one has glasses.
that one. It's that one. That one's the real one. There's no.
Whatever.
Okay, then that one.
I want an apple. Where's an apple?
Wait a second, that was the real one. Because it was
I
playing
have an
those sounds earlier.
Oh, well, I took off my clothes.
Why do I look like a block of clay on me?
I inhale apples. Just saying.
Why does it look like they just put a block of clay on me? Shut your stupid.
What?
Is I'm the one who looked fat as hell? Is that why you had to get surgically kneecaps on? It did. It went all over the world. It was about you having sex with the sex tape last night.
True. That's true.
Shut up. But look at your avatar, motherfucker. You look like a fucking robot from Monster Inc. I can even do it with the stairs. I could push her up the stairs, and I could just push her down with one finger, and then she falls down the stairs. It's too easy.
Bro
said easy.
Oh, easy kill. Go down.
Holy snap, it's great. Damn, he just left like his father. Holy snap. How much people are leaving?
I'm going slowly insane.
I actually have a skin. I'm gonna become one of